Okay, this is a T1 machine by Stokk, and sometimes you will have error codes on the display or the water not dispensing, or you may have the filtering light is always on. So to resolve the issues, okay, this is what you're gonna do. Also, I want to point out, you see how when you reinstall the tank, if you have gaps on the side or on the bottom, like that, see there's a gap right there and there's a gap right there, this will cause air bubble to be lodged in the machine and cause all kinds of issues. So to resolve this, first you're gonna unplug the machine, you're gonna uninstall the water tank, okay, and we're gonna put that on the side first, and you're going to remove all the filters. So you're gonna lift it up, okay, and then you're gonna twist counterclockwise. Okay, so we're gonna counterclockwise remove it, and then you have this little C filter, lift it up, okay, and so at this point you want to leave them upright on the countertop, and you could, in case there's air bubble that's lodged in there, okay, you want to kind of tap it on the side gently like this a few times to try to get the water, the air bubble out. Okay, and then you just set them on the side, leave them alone for like 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna go work on, while we're waiting for that, we're gonna go work on this water tank. So first, we're gonna check the water float. So the water flow is on one corner here. You see that white little thing? Okay, and people usually don't notice it. Okay, they also have a little black cap over it to keep it in that little space there. So to check on this, you're gonna add just 1 to 2 inch water. Okay, and then you might have to get pretty close to this. Okay, so when you move it around, see if the water flow is moving with the water line. So now it is moving, so that's good. Okay, next you're gonna lift it up pretty high. There's 2 springs in the connector here, so when you push it in, water will come out. When you let go, water will stop. Try the other one. Okay, those are all working. Okay, now I'm gonna fill up the water here. So every time, just a reminder, every time you fill out the water, okay, before you fill out the water, you know, when the machine tells you to change water, you want to dump out all the remaining water that was left in here, because those are wastewater. Dump it all out and then fill it up to max line again, all with all fresh tap water. And let's see, there's a little line here that tells you max. I'm gonna just go to max. Okay. All right, so I'm going to put all the filters back now. I'm gonna start with the little C baby filters, and you're gonna twist it back. Okay, and RO, you match the RO here. Okay, and both hands. This one. So just a little note, if when you're removing the water filters, the filters, if when you're trying to removing them and you cannot remove them, or one of them or multiple of them, so what you want to do is that after you unplug it, you just have to wait like maybe 10 minutes or so and come back, okay, and try to remove the filter again. Now I just put the water tank back. So especially for women, sometimes if your countertop is pretty high, it's hard to push it into the right place. So maybe you want to try to place the machine in a place that's not way too high. Otherwise, you're gonna have a hard time pushing back into the right place. So every time you replace this, push down and in, okay? Now we're gonna put everything back and then unplug it.